Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chrysler 300 oil. First, ensure you have the right materials. About 6 to 7 quarts of 5W20 engine oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a 13mm wrench, and a 24 or 30mm socket for the filter housing. Regular oil changes are vital for your engine's health, preventing wear and maintaining efficiency. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Begin by safely raising your vehicle with a jack and securing it on jack stands. This provides necessary clearance. Next, locate the oil drain plug, usually a 13mm bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the old oil has drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it to manufacturer specifications. Now, locate your oil filter. For many Chrysler 300s, it's a cartridge filter on top of the engine, requiring a 24 or 30mm socket. Remove the old filter, oil the new filter's gasket, and install it. Finally, add about 6 to 7 quarts of fresh 5W20 engine oil through the fill cap. After adding the new oil, start your engine for about 30 seconds, then shut it off. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Next, verify the oil level using the dipstick, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Finally, reset your oil life monitor by turning the ignition to the run position without starting, then slowly pressing the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. Remember to properly recycle your used oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.